Hey guys, today I am with an oil burner. I am just doing some service, it's very simple tune up. Alright, so the tuning up will be including changing the filter and sometimes changing nozzle. So the nozzle is around here, as you can see. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not burning so good. You can tell by how it looks too. All right, so I'm gonna find the oil filter. I'm gonna basically tune it up and just gonna basically do some cleanup up here also. So one of the problem also is that the smoke was coming back in as a result of this hole right here. You see the space there? All right, I have a solution for it, and the solution is this bad boy right here. So I'm going to use it to seal the gap there. All right, and you can look in the chamber here. All these debris, it's an indication that your chimney, system want to clean. So I'm just going to remove everything and just clean it up. Let's go downstairs. I want to see what's going on. See that? Alright, so I'm gonna do it from top so you can see it a little bit. Coming out there. You can see the stuff coming out. Yep. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna wrap up now. Alright, bye for now.